Hey, Warren Ross, your favorite estate planning attorney, here today to talk to you about why it's important to have some sort of estate planning documents in place. So, I have a client who is settling a probate estate. We've started this because his brother died in a motorcycle wreck, and this guy didn't have any kids. He wasn't married. So, like a lot of people, he assumed that he didn't really need an estate plan. It wasn't that high on his list of important things to do. I wish it would have been, because it would have simplified things a lot for his family. So right now, his brother is going to petition the court to become the administrator for the estate. We have to open an estate so we can make a wrongful death claim about his brother's death. But unfortunately, this takes a while. We can't even file the probate case until we get a death certificate. And it's been a few weeks, and we still haven't gotten one. It can take up to 8 weeks in Fulton County to receive a death certificate. And then once we get it, we can go file the documents with the probate court in Gwinnett County. But Gwinnett County has said that it's going to be about 8 weeks for anything that is filed in person. And if you file it by mail, it's usually slower than that. So we're really stuck right now because his brother has not really made a lot of money in the last few months with COVID. He doesn't have a lot of money to spare, but now he's got all of these issues and all these bills that he needs to pay, and we don't know where his brother's assets are. We don't know where the bank accounts are. We don't know what cars he owns, what cars have loans on them, what needs to be paid. It's really difficult to take care of an estate if there's no planning in place. So his brother right now is just stuck trying to get things settled, but we have a long court process to go through before we can get that done. So it's really ideal to at least have a will in place, because if his brother had a will, it would name the executor. We wouldn't have to petition the court to try to get his brother to be the executor, and we could get things done a lot faster. We could lay everything out, make sure that if he's gone, we have the right people in charge and we say where things are going to go. But right now, without a will, we have to file a different type of probate, and it takes a lot longer to go through it, and it's really not ideal. But the most ideal situation is when someone sets up a living trust. You put all your assets in the trust, and then when you pass away, your successor trustee steps into your shoes. We don't have to go through the court process. We don't have to wait for the death certificate. We can get things done as quickly and efficiently as possible. So if you'd like to talk to me about setting up a will or a living trust, please call my office at 678-250-4281, or you can find me at warrenrosslaw.com.